Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where escape key is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first one is to check the keyboard with a different system just to clarify whether the issue is with the keyboard or the issue is with the computer. If the issue is with the keyboard, then you may have to replace it. But if it is with the system, then try the second solution, which is to update the keyboard drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers, and do it for the second one too. The next solution is to turn off filter keys and sticky keys and even toggle keys. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Select keyboard in the right pane and make sure that all these three switches are off for sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.